สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Here is krusmuk, your Thai teacher from Banana Thai Language School. And welcome to the Read and Write Thai tutorial. The tutorial that I will explain and teach the complicated Thai words and simplify it and help you read and write it in an easy way. And today, the word that I want to teach you is the word. What do you read it? Is it e-mel, e-mel, or e-men? What is it? This word ค่ะ is email, email, which means email in English. พูดสิคะ email, email. And if you heard it correctly or carefully, you will hear the word, the sound of mail with w ending consonant. But this is not wawan, this is lolling. How can it be? If you don't know, krusmuk will explain to you. So let's start separating two syllables. First syllable, e or ang as the beginning consonant อักษรนำนะคะ and สระ e sound on top of the beginning consonant. สระ e make sure that it has how do you say a long vowel sound. So it's not e but e. This syllable has flat tone because ang is middle class consonant and sara e make it long vowel, which is a live syllable. Live syllable with middle class consonant has flat tone. So it is e. Now let's take a look at the second syllable. Second syllable. This syllable is pronounced mel with wawan sound. And you might ask me, why is it lolling? Normally for lolling, as a beginning consonant, it has l sound or like L in English. But lolling as an ending consonant, it has n sound like nonu. Okay? So see, one consonant can have different beginning consonant sound and ending consonant sound. Let me show you if it ending consonant sound. Like this word ค่ะ lolling as an ending consonant sound has nonu sound. This word is pronounced bon, bon, which is ball in English. Okay? And now let's take a look here. This one, if lolling is an ending consonant, it should has nonu sound. And it's supposed to be pronounced men. But it is not. It is wawan sound for the ending consonant. Why is it? It is because sala a with lolling ending consonant, lolling has the wawan sound, and this is the only exception for lolling ending with sara a. Okay? Another example ค่ะ Chanel. Do you know what is it? Chanel. Chanel is brand, the high-end fashion brand. Chanel, right? Chanel. But Thai people don't say Chanel. We say Chanel with wawan ending consonant. So as you can see, it's not only with sara a but sara e. So Thai people don't say Chanel, but Chanel. Alright, Chanel. Another example, like the word, this word ค่ะ It is actually คำทับศัพท์ or the word that we borrow from English. This word is pronounced fail, fail, which means you feel failed when you did something wrong or you did something that not good as you expected, you failed and you feel failed. Thai people say รู้สึก fail, which means I feel like a failure. I feel like, like a loser. I feel disappointed. You say เอ้ยฉัน fail มากอะ I feel so disappointed to myself or different thing, other thing. So we don't say fail. We say fail. L sound. Or last one, another one ค่ะ this word cal come from the word calorie or calorie, the calorie that you consume. We say cal as in the short sound, but Thai people pronounce it not cal but cal. ขนมปังกี่แคล How many calories of this bread? One thing that you can recognize from this is that all the words are from English words or from the word that is not Thai. The reason why we write down with lolling instead of wawan directly is because we write the word that we borrow in English or other language according to the way it's written in the original language. If you take a look this word, e-mel, you will see that. See? Lolling ending. So that's why Thai people write it according to lolling, which is L. See? L and lolling. But we pronounce it with wawan ending. Not e-mel, but e-mel. The word Chanel. See? With lolling. The word fail with lolling. The word cal with lolling or with L. So I think with this word email, you will learn different rules, and I hope you enjoy the tips that I give you in this video. If you want to learn how to read and write Thai with me, check out my ultimate guide to Thai reading course. Or if you have any question, please comment below. Let me know if you can think about any word in English with l ending consonant sound and it's written with lolling but it's pronounced with wawan ending sound. Let me know. Comment below. See you. Bye bye ค่ะ